Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are unboxing this cocktail smoker kit. Let's go ahead and show you guys how it's packaged and what's inside. Alright guys, so this is what you get inside here. Pecan wood, cherry wood, apple wood, oak wood, nice little metal containers. So it comes with a brush, comes with the filter, comes with you know everything you need. Let's go ahead and let's see. Applewood is one of my favorites, so let's open this up. Oh, that smells good. So applewood chips. Obviously, we're doing this indoors, so we're not actually doing it, but just to show you guys how it would work, how it would funnel through. Overall, very nice. So that is what you get in the kit, and of course that's how big the chips are. Nice little kit.